Hello all, welcome back to the channel. I want to tell you it's hot here in Texas and I need a fan to help me cool off my patio and garage. So I got this 20-inch high velocity industrial fan from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description and you can check it out for yourself if you'd like. First thing I want to say is this thing came very well packed. It has great instructions and also it comes with a bracket. If you want to install this on the wall, you can do it that way as well. But today I just want to show you an unboxing and give you just a little bit of information about this Bilt Hard fan. Like I said, it came very well packed. Everything was in perfect condition. Nothing was scratched or dented or anything like that. So I don't believe you'll have any problems. And I love that it has those little rubber feet. It has 3 different speed controls, high, medium, and low. And let me tell you, this Bilt Hard fan blows. It really blows the air. But to assemble it, all you have to do is use these little buttons that are on the little side legs, install the bottom floor frame, push the button in, snap it in place, and do the same thing on the other side, and you're pretty much done. The only other thing you have to do is tighten up the little knobs on the side to angle the fan at your desired angle, and you're ready to go to town. The little locking knobs on the sides really hold the fan in place very well, so you don't have to worry about it slipping and changing angles on you. Now, the cord is not super long, so you may need an extension cord just depending on where your outlet is for power. Anyway, I'm going to be using this on my back patio and also moving it to the garage whenever I'm working in there. And I wanted to see what kind of airflow there was, and this is amazing. I love the fact that there are metal blades on this thing, and it really pushes the air very well. It's going to help me at least survive the super hot Texas heat on the back patio and in the garage, and that's just me having a little fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some information out of it that could be helpful. And if you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also check out some of my other videos I have on my DIY playlist. I also have some unboxings. So check those out and I'll see you next time.